Hey, Dad, he's gone.
Oh my God.
Oh, that seems like a big one.
All right, guys. Move this pole out of my way. Both of these. Yeah, get them out of the way.
Yeah, this could be big fish of the day, bro.
I can't get the net.
It's a shovel head. I could tell by the way it was fighting. It's a shovel head.
Oh, they're pulled out.
They're also fighting a lot of current, so it's probably about 10 pounds smaller than what it feels like.
I see it there. I'm trying to get your pole in.
It's a good fish.
Look at that.
Looks like a 20.
It's tangled up. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you take a big fish and start sitting in the lane. Hold on. Hold on. Come back up again. Oh, God, I missed it. No, I got it.
Good fish.
Oh,
Go.
yeah.
Was it?
Little dead chub.
Huh.
Alright, y'all. Another first one of the day. Nice fish. First one of the day. I'm actually probably not going to get a picture at this one. For now, we'll do it when we get back. Do that stuff, bro. Turn the live well on. You're going to have to plug it first. I can't do it. 19 is all.
That's what I called it, 19 and a half.
He'll be out. Don't keep those chubs. You're going some nice here.
Hey, Brandon, you got a hit on that green one.
Again?
Unless he just bumped it.
Yeah, I didn't care. Hopefully he ain't waiting for us to get out. I ain't heard his horn or whatever. His horn, whatever you want to call it. Colder than hell. It was cold for a long time because the Ohio River would freeze up. Never been like that again, huh? Are we still in the same spot?
Hey, Dad, he's gone.
Oh my God.
Oh, that seems like a big one.
Alright, guys. Move this pole out of my way. Both of these. Yeah, get them out of the way. Why is it stuck? stuck on
Does he feel big?
you. No, not really.
Well, he sure hit it big.
I know he did.
Good Lord.
You're in that hole already. Say what? He's coming right up the river. I don't know if he's big or not.
Right. He might take off once he gets to the boat again, so be careful.
I got to make room for BJ. Uh-oh, yeah, he's starting to fight.
Oh yeah, he's got
Don't get off, buddy.
a little bit of size to him.
Don't get off. Oh, please don't get off. Oh yeah, look at him. Now he ain't as big as BJ, but he's a good one. Huh, BJ? He feels bigger because of the swift water.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. They're going to feel about 10, 15 pounds bigger.
Help us out. He's not 28, so he's an under. Huh? I doubt he's 28. Yeah, I think this is a good spot to stay, to end it.
Getting
a bite
another
on
one.
this one.
But,
I
yeah.
think there's a fish on this one. Oh,
Got
yeah, there's
him.
a fish on this one.
Dang.
Nice, y'all.
Nice. Good job for 3 in the boat. Good job.
Gotta let him get this one. Well, this one here, I don't think it's going to be 28.
Well, that's all right. You got 2 28s anyway, so.
He's a shovelhead. Does he have to be 28 to be a shovelhead, BJ?
No, you're good now.
He's too small. Damn it.
What are you talking about?
Still pretty fish. He's just our small. Alright, y'all. Hey, BJ! Oh, it came off. I kid you not, it came off. That was a circle hook too. Fuck, I should have reeled down on it. I was off skipjack.
All right, boat number 53, Brandon Phillips, Larry Phillips, Rocky Phillips. Yep. Brandon, tell us about the fishing that they brought up.
Oh, it was a little bit slow, but
A little bit slow,
we got 3 of them.
but you got 3 of them.
Hold him up and they'll get your picture right behind you.
Did you have fun with Pops today fishing?
I did.
That's all that matters, right? That's a good one. So what was working for you guys?
We just anchored up,
Anchored up.
skipjack.
Anchored up, skipjack. You want me to go ahead and open this thing up so you can
Yes,
Your big fish was 19.7. Good fish.
Yeah. We missed a couple.
All right. 30.5. 30.5. back down. We got them on the shore for us.